Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're here to discuss the movie Finch, which is available on Apple TV, starring Tom Hanks. And I will try my best to watch every Tom Hanks movie. Maybe not the very early ones before he became Tom Hanks as Tom Hanks, but yeah, I'm a big Tom Hanks fan, and the man is not capable of doing a bad role. The man is not capable of giving a below average performance. um, I think every movie that I have seen him in, at least, he is amazing. He's my favorite actor. So yeah, he is a international icon. He is an international treasure, is what I should say. From all his movies that I can think of, um, you know, I just love the guy. Anyway, Finch is a 2021 American post-apocalyptic movie starring, of course, just Tom Hanks and Caleb Landry Jones, who voices a robot who eventually gets the name Jeff, or rather, he chooses the name Jeff. So we're going to go through the main story. It's 10 years that has passed since a catastrophic solar flare that basically destroyed the majority of the ozone layer. It is almost uninhabitable on the planet right now. I mean, in the movie, of course. Um, and it's like, temperatures go up to like 130 degrees, something like that. 150 degrees Fahrenheit. So, Finch, who is a robotics engineer, uh, he is one of the few surviving humans, and he makes his way throughout the city at St. Louis, Missouri, where he goes out and scavenges for food. His only companions are a dog who he rescued. When I say rescued, they actually do show that a man had shot a young girl and her mother at a supermarket where Finch was hiding and looking for food, and the mother and the daughter had a cart of food with them. The man wanted their food. He shot them both dead. And in the girl's belongings there was a puppy, which is the puppy over here. Finch takes him, calls him Goodyear because he was found inside the bag was inside a tire of Goodyear, and therefore he is his main companion. He's also got a helper robot called Dewey, and unfortunately Finch is dying, so he is trying to build a more humanoid robot who can take care of Goodyear, take care of the dog once he is dead. Apparently he's dying of it's not mentioned in the movie, but we do see him reading a book about radiation poisoning. Dewey is voiced by Caleb Landry Jones and is bumbling and sincere, but at the same time, he tries his best to do the initiative and try and do as much as possible. There's a football match going on, which is why my eyes are going all the way over there. So yeah, that's basically the entire movie. He throughout the journey, Finch is preparing the robot to eventually take care of the dog in his absence, and they make their way across to San Francisco because there's a huge storm that's coming to the location where Finch is held up, and he needs to make their way across. So towards the end, Finch does die, and it's inevitable that he's going to die. So the dog initially doesn't like the robot, but over a period of time, especially towards the end, which is a very, very sweet and a genuine kind of heart-touching scene where they find an area where the sun isn't that hot, so Finch can actually enjoy a nice lunch out, and play fetch with the dog, and he teaches Jeff to basically throw the ball. Initially, the dog comes only up to Finch, but Finch later dies, and he is, but that's really sad. And Tom Hanks died. Tom Hanks should not die. Tom Hanks should not die in a movie. Tom Hanks should not die. Period. Right? He needs to be there for us. I know he's in his 60s now. I don't really know exactly his age. He is, I think, 62, is he? 62, 66, 65 years old. You're not growing anymore, older buddy. You're going to stay that age because I want to see another 50 years of, if I live that long. All right, let's put it as 40 years. I want to see another 40 years of Tom Hanks movies. Um, yeah, it's a very. There is some criticism of that. There's nothing really uh, unique or original about the apocalyptic. I can't get that word properly. Scenario, but the fact is that's not the main story. The story is basically of a man trying and teaching a robot to take care of his pet dog, and that basically is the main storyline that you're looking at. And eventually, Finch doesn't live to make his way past to San Francisco. However, the robot and the dog do make their way across. There are signs of other people who have survived, and they try and make their way. There's a lot of pictures and all that stuff. So Jeff does manage to evolve into becoming a caretaker for the dog, and we don't get to see what happens when they meet more humans and all that stuff. But yeah, it is a very good movie. I suggest you do watch it. Find ways to actually watch this movie because I don't really call it a tearjerker. I wasn't saddened or anything like that because I mean for some reason they don't really make it too sappy, to be honest. But it's a very good movie. Tom Hanks A plus performance. I really did like the voiceover. I mean the voice acting of Caleb Landry Jones, who I've seen in a couple of things. I wasn't really impressed by him, but the way he voiced the robot, making him sound like a dum dum, and at the same time someone who wants to learn and take care of both Finch and the dog. That is actually amazing to see. I thought was a really good choice for the voice of Jeff. So I will give this movie an 8 out of 10. It's a good enough movie to make me want to watch multiple times. So yeah, 8 out of 10 for Finch. Try to watch it. Thank you.